Alright, hello. This one's about my custom-made speaker stands you've seen probably on my channel. So they're just plywood, the other boards are coated plywood, and I wanted to do this on my desk so I could get the speaker up to the ear level. And yeah, they came out great. I'm gonna show you the shop where they were done, and my brother is the one who did this, and as we can see, we're at a CNC machine. So, birch plywood, that's what we have. Really cheap material, and I've been using it a lot. There's the machine, and it's a happy machine, as we can see. And we decided that we're gonna do this with CAD. My brother drew it up, so he can have the machine routed, and here we can see a step of the process. And now my brother is gonna hook the boards up and secure them in place, so when they get routed they're not gonna move at all. That's gonna be done by suction. There we go, the board gets placed, everything is calibrated, final checks, and then it's time to step away from the machine and get that thing rolling. So there we go. As you can see, precision work over there. Zoom. And the holes are done. So my stands are stacked from those pieces that are getting done by the CNC machine right now. And that's how it looks like after the routing. And then there's gonna be some table routing to get the pieces as separate as they need to be. So then it's cleaning up, doing that step, looking nice, quality inspection over there, and yeah, they will stack up nicely. And I carefully measured my table, which has also been done here at Kiilax. And there's a video about my studio desk that I've custom built using coated plywood, and it's a great way to get exactly what you want. And you know, if you have a local shop like this that can do CNC or just basically sawing to your measurements, it's really good, and probably not that even considering what the prices on those studio furnitures can be, it might not even be that expensive. And there we go. So I don't know where those called dowels, they get in place. There's some glue on there just to give a little bit of a bond, and my brother's just stacking them up, making the cake. There we go. And that's the two uncoated pieces together, gonna get clammed. So they're gonna have some mass to them as well, and that's a good thing. There we go. So all it needs is the top parts. We got 4 of those, and those are gonna have this, I can't remember what it's called. Let's call it molding on the sides. So they're gonna be covered on the sides, and this is the machine that does that. We got that black thing over there, and my brother's gonna hook it up to the machine so we can get a nice looking piece on the top of the stands. Yeah, still edit. I could have sped that up, but anyways, so now they're ready to go through the machine. We're gonna see that. And my desk, I haven't done that to the boards that I have on the desk. I kind of like the visual of leaving the plywood visible. So I could have done that, but I like to look on the sides. So, but there you go. That's the finished product, pretty much. So now every side just goes through that, and then they're ready to be stacked up with the other blocks, and the cakes will be done after that. So we can check the machine doing its thing. Nice little line over there. And that's it. That's one ready. There we go. There we go. And that's it. Now we're ready to stack them up. So release the clamps. And let's get this done. Oh, but there's actually probably one more step before we do this. And that's, well, we're gonna sand them a little. So let's get them smooth and sanded. My brother has a tool for that. So there we go. And also a little bit of routing on the edges. So it's just nice to have them rounded a little bit. No sharp edges. And after that it's the sanding. Get them smooth. Like that. There we go. Oh yeah, that's nice. Take heavy. Just the way I want it. And of course, you know, you usually do the last bits by hand. There we go. So that's how it's gonna look like on the top. And then I just brought them home, actually myself, and I tapped the tops and bottoms on there at home. And there we go. That's my vibe now. So yeah, they're perfect. My listening position is really nice, and the speakers are at ear level, and I can really enjoy the music I make and listen to. So thank you, Kiilax and Juuso.